you know what I'm saying? Chilling with the big ballers today, man. It's going down to real official, you know what I'm saying? I'm loaded, boy. You already know how we do this shit, you know what I'm saying? I got my nigga Chilln Keep over here with me. You know we robbing out here, man. Riding jetskis and shit, you know what I'm saying? Just living is a Sunday, my nigga. We just out here trying to relax, my nigga, and happy shit, man. Blood bank entertainment, man. It's real official, my nigga. You see where we at, my nigga. We just got it. We just bored as fuck, so this is what we do with the boy, I guess. Y'all get ready, we're gonna get live in this, man. Real live, bro. The real live.